Here I have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card slot, which is located right here. Right here. So you just have to put the tool inside the hole on the slot, and the slot will come out. And here you have SIM 2 and also SIM 1 slot. So let's put our SD card here, SIM card. That's how it's done. And then put it back into the phone. As you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to our SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card found. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.